In this video, we are going to start second unit. The title is Mutation. You all know the basic definition of mutation, that is a sudden change. This diagram indicates that the change takes place in genetic material, in DNA sequencing, due to other outer agents. Before, normal chromosome is there, and after changing due to the mutagenic agent, the change takes place in genetic material, and it can be defined as a mutation is defined as sudden change of gene or chromosome from one form to another is called as mutation. According to Dobzhansky, it is mistake or misprint in cell division. The term mutation was introduced by scientist D. Varies. Chromosomal mutations are also called as chromosomal aberrations. This is all about the concept mutation. Then the types of mutations. Mutations are of many types and are due to many reasons. Basically, mutations are divided into two categories: chromosomal mutations and induced gene mutations. It may be divided on the basis of another mutagens, that is natural mutations and induced mutations. Means naturally cell shows mutation, that is sudden change in genetic material during cell division. But in some cases artificially mutations are made. They are called as artificial mutations or induced mutations. In the chromosomal mutations, we see again basically they are of two types, that is chromosomal mutation on basis of changes in number of chromosomes or changes in structure of chromosome. The well-known example is a plant, Raphanobrassica. This was produced by a Russian scientist in 1927. He crossed Raphanus lativus and brassica and obtained F1 hybrid variety. This F1 plant is sterile. It has no ability to fertilize and produce next generation, but this F1 hybrid has the both beneficial factors from this selected, that is cabbage and the another plant brassica as well as Raphanus. These such varieties can be made by mutations, but these chromosomal mutations on basis of structure and number. On the basis of structure, there are four types: deletion, duplication, inversion, translocation. Means change in structure of chromosome. But another type, that is number of chromosome changes. These are of two types. First one is aneuploidy and second one is euploidy. Means the chromosomal number get changed and it is again divided into subtypes. We will see one by one. Change in number of chromosomes is called ploidy. Ploidy may be due to a change in one chromosome or a set of chromosomes. Based on this, there are two kinds of ploidy. aneuploidy, which has the three types monosomy, nullisomy and trisomy. We see one by one. The monosomy means one chromosome is lost from a pair. Only one chromosome when lost, it causes the mutation, and its well-known example is Turner's syndrome. It is due to monosomy. In such a aneuploidies, gain or loss of one or more chromosomes takes place. One chromosome loss, it is monosomy. Second type is nullisomy. In nullisomy, both chromosomes of a pair get lost, and due to which the individual which take birth, it cannot survive and it gets dead. Third type is trisomy. In trisomy, one chromosome is added to pair. Original two are there and one addition takes place, and it is of two types. Trisomy of autosomes. Autosome means the chromosome which carries the body characters, and its example is Down syndrome. It shows a trisomy in 21st chromosome number. This is chromosome number, and it causes this disease Down syndrome. Trisomy of sex chromosome means such a addition of third chromosome in a sex chromosome. Its example is Klinefelter's syndrome. That is 22 autosomes are there, and the sex chromosomes indicates XXY, means one X is additional. This is genetic disease due to this change in chromosomal number. The second type, that is change in entire set of chromosomes. It is divided into two, that is haploidy and polyploidy. Haploidy, sometimes in the life of some animals, a set of chromosomes will be lost, and this leads to haploidy. So, some characters which are present in parent will be lost from the resulting individual. Complete loss of one set of chromosome. Second type is polyploidy. In polyploidy, an organism contains more than the usual two sets of chromosome. Normally, each one has two sets of chromosome, but more numbers of sets are present in these. Such animals are called as polyploid. Polyploid organisms may have 3, 4 or more number of sets are called triploids, 3n number, tetraploids, 4n number, pentaploids, 5n number, and so on. It may increases, and on that basis it is again divided into following groups. Autopolyploidy, numerical increase in sets, and it causes the highest breeding varieties, that is maize, rice. This autopolyploidy is useful in these crop varieties. Next one is allopolyploidy, means hybridization between two species. The example we seen in the introduction, that is Raphanobrassica, that is combination of two different species. Genetic material of radish and cabbage mixed and form a new variety called Raphanobrassica. Next one is autoalloploidy, multiple sets of two species hexaploids. For example, plant Helianthus tuberosus. It is a source of inulin Inulin is, is a sugar which directly converted into fructose, which is very helpful in diabetic 2 patients, type 2 patients. These examples are images. On that images, with help of these images you can understand the examples of oligopolyploidy and ato-oligopolyploidy. You can observe the plant Raphanobrassica having a reddish genetic material as well as a cabbage genetic material. Next one is Helianthus tuberosus. This plant is sunflower-like plant, but tubers are formed after flowering, and it is helpful for a food purpose. Next one is change in structure of chromosomes. Means chromosomal structure get changed. No addition of entire chromosome or part of chromosome, but only structural changes are there. The change in structure of chromosome brings about the changes in number and arrangement of genes. These are of 4 types. It can be understand with help of this diagram. First type is deletion. First chromosome, you can observe this type. Deletion means one segment of chromosome get lost, deleted completely. In second, translocation means one set of or one piece of genes is detached and get joined with another chromosome, means translocation. Location of that segment get changed is translocation. In duplication means one segment of chromosome get doubled, not interchanged but get double, duplication. And fourth type is inversion, means only serial number of genes get changed, and after that chromosome having equal number of genes present but its serial number get changed. In this way the structure of chromosome can be changed by the mutation, and it results into 4 types. Out of that, this deletion, first it is chromosomal aberration where segment of chromosome is lost. It occurs during meiosis due to some genes are also lost. Deletion is of 2 types namely terminal deletion and intercalary deletion. In terminal deletion, terminal segment of chromosome is lost. In intercalary deletion, the intermediate segment of chromosome is lost. When deletion occurs in one member of homologous chromosome, a deletion loop is produced. Normal homologous chromosome at the opposite to the deleted segment. In humans, Cray-Duchard syndrome is due to such type of deletion. It occurs in 5th chromosome. In this syndrome, baby cries like a cat and is mentally retarded with a small head. Such a baby has a high pitched voice or its cry. Next type is duplication. It is chromosomal aberration where segment of chromosome repeated. Hence, a set of genes is present in double dose. The duplicated segment forms loop which shows positional effect. In case of Drosophila bar eye condition, it is a best example of duplication. Inversion, it is chromosomal aberration where segment of chromosome breaks and reunites in the reverse order as seen in diagram. In inversion, there is no loss or gain of gene, but the genes are arranged in reverse order. It may be of a pericentric or paracentric type. In pericentric inversion, centromere is included in inverted segment, and in paracentric inversion, centromere is not included in inverted segment. The chromosome with the inverted segment produces inversion loop. Inversion prevents a crossing over. It brings positional effect and produces variations and speciation. The last and fourth type is translocation. In translocation, non-homologous chromosomes exchange segments. It produces a cross-shaped structure during pairing. It has a position effect and it alters the linkage groups. It affects linkage of genes. The second basic type, that is induced gene mutations, we are study that in next video.